Right, so this is my old Samsung. I just upgraded to a new phone, so just going to do a tear down just for fun. Nothing really wrong, but it just it's just the battery doesn't hold charge. I keep replacing it, and I thought I might as well just get a new phone. So yeah, it's pretty easy to tear down. Already taken it apart before. Hopefully this new filming spot has good lighting, but what I'm going to do is just take this case off. I actually does have a backing on that normally, but I'm never up with that. But yeah, the first thing is just these screws around the side. Take the battery out too. It's just for fun doing this, really. Not really a tutorial. But the correct screwdriver size is 00 for this. Probably not the best place to be doing it with all the dust and stuff, but and two more screws. Where did that screw go? Okay, so now this kind of just pops off. You press from the back here, and it's not connected to any ribbon cables or anything, so it just goes through like that. And then there's one screw oh, that's what I did wrong. It's not actually supposed to be there. It's supposed to be in there. But yeah. Okay, so and we just have to remove, there's a couple of ribbon cables, one there and there, and they're just clipped on. So these little circuit boards that clip on, you just have to pop them off. It's like a flathead, little flathead or something. There we go, very good design. I like them like this. And then this should just come off. There is another ribbon cable on this side, on the board on this side, that we have to pop off as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There is one more there. Haven't figured out how that comes off yet, but maybe I have to pop that off, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's pretty much it.